Get a double play right here now. What you see?
Damn.
Take your time.
That's who I spent Thanksgiving in 2009.
Come on.
He's a cool guy. I'm sure he's just a cool guy, but I'm a back.
Go ahead. Still got to come to you. Go ahead. Right here, Dano. Right here, baby. Turn two.
I heard that might be sad.